Oh, we got the double miner. Nice. 200 bucks total. The R. Kelly, as BD calls it, and Jared from Subway. Double miner. Needed a third one for the Diddy. Come on. There we go. Come on, Major. You're next. You're next. Oh yeah, this is definitely a winning live stream here. I think that double miner might be the dagger. But if we get we get a major or a grand, that's gonna be the golden dagger. Come on. Ah, that's okay. That's still good. That's still good. I notice my chat isn't moving. I don't see anybody chatting or saying anything here. But unless it's a YouTube glitch,